Watch this space. I want to tell you this, here and now. We don't care. We are ready to face you head on. Zimbabweans, it's within our power to stop this nonsense. Mnangagwa has gone wrong, and go he must. We invited him to go peacefully, but instead, he is digging in and continues to push the unconstitutional agenda of 2030. The only 2030 you will see is 8:30 on the clock.
The warning is very, very clear to you, Mnangagwa, and the company, and your company. This is the last dance before sunset. The time is up, and we have heard everything.
Inwa mapirisi ako ekupenga wakanyarara. Kana usisina mapirisi ako ekupenga kumbira una Mnangagwa akutengere. To all those who think we are afraid, those who think they can silence us, please read my lips in case you miss my words. Look at my face. Do you see any fear? Do you think you can scare us? Bullshit. Some have been holding meetings to inject us from ZANU-PF. Mashu Rajayo. You think you can fire us from our party, which we brought with our own blood? Where were you? Pengera kwa akaroiwa. Said Mnangagwa, you allowed this nonsense to happen. Mnangagwa, you have failed this nation. You have failed us.
So we don't need all these fools. Because what we are witnessing right now in the party ZANU-PF, idiocy and foolishness has run amok.
And you have succeeded to put your family on the fore as one of the worst, the most hated in the history of the world. You can redeem yourself by doing the right thing. Step down. Free this country from incompetence. Your lack of probity has preceded you. Ndiri kutaurira comrade. Imwimwi vana vake nemudzimai taurirai baba kuti zvakwana. Nyika haina kumira mushe. Musafurirana zvenhema muchifurirwa namatsotsa. Zimbabwe is just time for action. Let's act now. We are the new 2030.
Zimbabwe is already a polarized country. And it needs a leadership which can bring national unity and cohesion so that we chart the way forward. Now we have a polarizing administration under Idi Mnangagwa. The country of Zimbabwe as a whole has now been reduced. It has been turned into a crime scene. Zimbabwe is now a crime scene.